Well, hello, I'm Shawna Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we are in Henry County in the city of Locust Grove, getting ready to tour this beautiful new construction home behind me that has everything that you're looking for. Yeah, it has 4-size brick and it's right across from a school, so you can watch your babies come home from school. Yeah, very good. Let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. Okay, y'all, here we are. Yes. Now, whenever you come to this community, you're going to ask for Michelle. She's the on-site agent. You can ask for her and then let her know that I sent you. All right. Because you may be itching to get out here and have a look, and that's fine. But just let her know you have representation, and then you'll be, good to go. Okay. So, yeah. So all the homes along this side of the street, because they're facing that road over there, they have to be 4-size brick. Okay, so if you choose this one, just know that you're going to have the 4-size brick. Otherwise, you're going to have 3-size brick. Looks nice, huh? Yep. Look at the landscaping too. You see that? Yeah, it's really good. 2-car garage. So you're coming in, maybe your guests are coming in right here. They have this stoop that they can get out of the elements right here. Okay, look at your door. Details are going up. Yeah, what do you think? It's really good. All right, so let's go inside. All right, here we are. Let's get in here. I actually have, you'll see in a second, I opened up the sliding glass door for the drama. But I'm going to turn around so you can see this really quickly. I want you to see what it looks like when you're coming in. Pretty. Spacious. You see that? Now, there's closets all up and through here. Here's one. Here in Georgia, we got all 4 seasons. We got coats, jackets. We got it all. So you're gonna need space for those things. All right. Downstairs, like I mentioned to you. Oh, I didn't mention it earlier. Sorry, I didn't mention it, but I'm mentioning it now. You have 2 bedrooms down here, y'all. Okay. So just think about how this floor plan will fit your lifestyle. To have 2 bedrooms on the main level, but also have bedrooms upstairs too. Plenty of space for your bed, bedroom furniture, and here is your reach-in closet. Yep. Let me stand right here. You see, you got natural light in here. This is the front of the home. Okay. Here's your full bathroom. I'll show you. Yep. And then you have a tub and shower combination. Yes. All right. Your linen closet. You got to have somewhere to put those towels and things like that. Here's your other bedroom, y'all. And you know what? It's given very same size of the other bedroom. So you all can decide. It's really like a multi-generational house because you have bedrooms on the main level, but you also have them upstairs too. And here's your reach-in closet. Yeah, I was talking to the on-site agent, Michelle, and she, was telling me about the brick and how they had to. Any home that's facing the street, the main road, has to, be all brick. And it's got to look like something, I thought that was really cool. Okay, so let's go this way. This right here is more storage. Let me show you. So really we're under the staircase. Look at all the floor space you have. Okay, so you got a place to put the things. And walking into this space right here, really pretty. Television goes up there. Thermostat. You see this? But then look at the natural light. Ooh, yes. Now this space right here, put your breakfast table right here if you want to. Right here. Then you have your multi-purpose island. What's your preference on cooking? Is it gas or electric? Here is gas, okay? We'll go outside in a second too. Refrigerator goes here. Now I know you all been wanting to have more pantry space, so you have it here, okay? We'll go out there in a second. Hold on. Let's go over here. This is the garage. So before we go out there, another closet. Yep. Here's your garage. You see how deep it is? You probably have a fairly large vehicle. Pickup truck or SUV or something like that. Yeah. So you're good to go, okay? Automatic garage door opener. So you're coming in from the garage, you're coming into this space, you got all this stuff in your hands. You're right here at the kitchen. You can put in the kitchen. Also put some furniture right here. You know, but you can come right into the kitchen and drop off the groceries and things. All right. So let's step outside because it's really good. I want you to see what I'm talking about and see the school. Look at that. It's good, right? That's the school. Okay, so let me turn around so you can see. You see what I mean? It's all brick. Yeah. Sliding glass door. Look at your neighbors. What you're gonna find in this community, honestly, are larger lots. You see the amount of space in between this house and your neighbor? Yeah. That's a difference. A larger lot. Not too big, but larger where you got some space. All right, you're gonna get that here. And I think you're gonna be able to appreciate that. Yeah. All right, so let's go back inside because we gotta go upstairs now. So let's do it. Yes, well, I certainly hope you're enjoying the tour so far. Stay with me. We have some more to go. We're going to go upstairs, have a look at the owner suite, the loft, and the other secondary bedrooms. Okay, if you want a private tour, let me know. My number is below. Give me a call right now while you're watching the video. All right, we'll get you scheduled on the books to have a tour, a private tour, and we'll get you pre-approved if you're not buying the home cash. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Okay, upstairs we go. Let's do it. You're gonna like it because you know how like you have a space upstairs that you just want to make into like the gathering space, especially since a lot of you are going to be upstairs. You have that up here with the loft, and I love these. I love the floors coming up the steps, and you know you got all this natural light downstairs, and it doesn't end there. You see how I have these lights on up here? I didn't really need to do it because you see, it's just well lit. So this is your loft. Yep. At the front of the house right here. Yeah. What do you think? Like, how would you use this space? It's good. So let's go over here. Okay. This is the owner suite. Let me show you this real quick. Hold on. Laundry. This is your laundry, okay? Yeah. This is your linen closet. Okay. That's the loft. Hold tight. We're gonna go into, this is the owner's suite. Yep. This is the back of the home. So you can get a good view now. Look. And it's so quiet in here. Of course, when you're on the street and it's traveled, you could hear the vehicles and things. But once you get back in here, you don't hear that. Why? Because it's insulated well. Very good. Okay, so thermostat over there. This is your room. Okay, so you can fit your bedroom furniture in here, your bed, of course, obviously, and then here's your bathroom. Dual vanity. And then behind here, let me show you. I gotta close the door. Look at your tub. I know that you've probably seen some homes where there wasn't a tub and they had the oversized shower. Well, you have both here. You have a nice size shower, because look, you see that space in there. Tile, almost to the ceiling. Glass door, yeah. I didn't turn the light on over the shower, but because it wasn't really necessary, but you do have that light over the shower. You have a window in your bed, in your owner's suite closet. Where are you gonna put your mirror? Put it right there somewhere. Yes, very good. All right, we have the secondary bedrooms to have a look at now. Okay, so we got the owner's suite done. Now what are we gonna do with these other rooms, okay, that are over here on this side? Now here is a full bathroom, and I love how thoughtful, when you have multiple bedrooms upstairs for the secondary bedrooms, you wonder what does it look like in the morning or at night when people are getting ready, for bed and want to get cleaned up. You have this door here for your toilet and shower and tub. You can close this door and someone can be in this space and someone can be in that space, right? Because look, the reality is you have 2 bedrooms over here. See, downstairs they're covered. They have that bathroom downstairs. But what about the folks over here? They have that bedroom, that bathroom, sorry. Yes. Plenty of space in here for your bed, bedroom furniture. Okay, you got your reach-in closet right here. Yep. You're gonna go over here and look over there on that side. And these magnets up here will tap there. Now the other bedroom, let's have a look at that. So we are at the front of the home. You see where my car is situated? Yeah. Of course, room in here for your bed, bedroom furniture. You have a reach-in closet. See? Yeah, what do you think? That's good, right? So the builder has incentives all the time, y'all. So you're gonna have to give me a call to find out what it is. And I'll find out what they have going on. And a lot of times it's best to use an agent, because there's certain things that you just won't find out about if you don't have an agent representing you, okay? So don't go at it alone, all right? Now let's go down to the kitchen and have a chit chat, shall we? Yes, well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely new construction home. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful, well-lit kitchen. Yeah, tons of natural light in this space. It's really good. In front of me is a beautiful multi-purpose island. You have all the things that you need. You can sit down and eat. You can display your food for friends and family. You can prep food. You got your sink and dishwasher. Yeah. And then tons of cabinetry space as well. Beyond this island right here is a space to set your breakfast table. And then beyond there is your family room, living room. And look at that beautiful fireplace. Isn't it lovely? Yeah, it's setting the mood to be romantic. And then on both sides, you can put, pieces of furniture, some floating shelves to, display your personal artifacts. It's really good. Now, if we just pan over, you see the backyard. As a matter of fact, let's just go to the back. Okay, sliding glass door, we're going to the back. Very lovely. And as you can see, the school is right there. That's Luella. Luella is a school. That's your school district. And you can see your babies come home from school. How convenient is that? Don't you love all the space you have in your backyard? Yeah, it's really good. Now, back on the inside, you see there's 2 bedrooms on the main level, all right? And then, of course, as we go upstairs, you have a beautiful loft with natural light coming in. You got windows. And then you have your owner suite, all right? So you have your owner suite that has plenty of space for your bed and your bedroom furniture. Your beautiful bathroom, you have a tub and shower, so you have them both, dual vanity. Then you have a nice spacious walk-in closet. Yeah, it's really good. So listen, when you talk about buying or selling a home, whether it's new construction or resale, don't go at it alone. You don't have to and you shouldn't, okay? Consider me a resource. I've been in business for over 2 decades. Yes, so I understand negotiations and valuations very well because I'm a real estate broker and appraiser. So you're in good hands, okay? So go ahead and give me a call. My number is below, but I also have additional contact information, which is right here. Boom. Call me, text me, email me. I will respond. Now, when you call, if I don't answer, that's rare. But if I don't answer, it's only because I'm probably with some clients, right? Filming like I'm doing right now. I could be asleep. We're on different time zones. But nonetheless, I do want to talk to you. So go ahead, give me a call and leave me a message. And we'll talk very soon, because ultimately what I want to do is have a face-to-face consult with you. Yep, we'll talk about everything, your wants, desires. We'll map it all out, strategize, and we'll execute at your own pace, because you may have some things going on, right? You may have to get the home where you're living now situated, maybe get the parents situated or the children situated, your employment, all those different things. So we'll map it out and then we'll execute, all right? So listen, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share with your friends and family. Let them know we got it going on here in Georgia, because we do. Yeah. And then catch my other videos, because you'll get an idea of what we have going on here in Georgia. You'll get familiarized. And I film videos in the Atlanta metro area and the surrounding counties. Gives you a good idea of what we have here. All right. We got modern home, contemporary homes, farmhouse style homes, traditional, like we have it all. Different price points. Yep. So check them out and then give me a call. Okay. We'll talk to you very soon, and take care.